In this video, we are going to learn how to use competence to boost your everyday living. Do you have the competence to boost your everyday living and overall human existence? Or do you lack this quality? To boost personal living, you have got to seek out competence to obtain control. It's our way of creating choices, which contributes to our personality. Let's see how to use competence. Competence is earned. You need to learn the way to create competence to use it. A competent individual will take what he or she learns and use it to unravel different situations in their life. They go on to make what they learn second to the primary nature they shall acquire. A competent person always sees the new light at the end of every tunnel. When an individual has competence, he or she feels joyful. A joyful person will consider each incident, experience, etc. in life as something they will learn from. Also, this person won't allow bad to weigh him or her down. You can take the bad things and then see the new light and learn from the mistakes. We hear bad news every day. India is challenging China regularly. COVID positive cases are increasing. Global recession, etc. Most of the time, this is often out of our control. Therefore, we must see the new light. As an example, you will say, I don't have control over the world, but I have control over my actions. Once you see that you simply can only change yourself, you will live happier and free from chaos. It's okay to have opinions, but once you don't have facts to support your claims, why speak? Too repeatedly, people suspect, offer opinions, speculate, or jump to conclusions, which have caused major problems in their lives. If you do not have real proof of what to say, it is better to keep quiet. Allow some other person in the world to make the following mistake. You would like to think about your health. A regular visit to the doctor, exercising, taking healthy food, and being in a hygienic environment is the way to go. Once you get your health under control, you will move to create self-awareness. In fact, you ought to have a degree of this already built, since you needed it to ascertain the way to improve your overall life. Self-awareness is the process of evaluating the self. Once you can sit back and look at yourself, you have got self-awareness. What I'm able to do to stop my bad habits? How do my bad habits help me? Remember, smile and be positive to keep you from being crazy. I hope that these few pointers and tips will help you to use your competence and boost your everyday living. Please share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.